Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. Today is Sunday, November 15th, and we are doing our Sunday couponing haul in Walgreens. We have a number of deals. Let's go and see what we can grab. Okay, we are going to collect our deals today. I have a 5 off 20, two $4 register rewards, some points, and coupon. First thing we're going to grab is the Revlon. We're going to grab 2 of the baby lip Revlons right here. And they are buy one get one 50% off. Plus I have a $2 off of lip coupon. This is not including any of the orange tags, guys. And they have more orange tags right here. That's by Rimmel. Now remember, Rimmel got a $1 off coupon today. So you can get some dirt cheap deals that'll make good stocking stuffers for people. Okay. Now, if you go over here to the Axe, right here, the Axe, the Dove or the Axe. Now, if you can find a Dove that's cheap, that'll be great. But if you can't, you can go to the Axe. The Axe is buy one stick, spray, or deodorant, and you get a free body wash. These are $5.99 in here. If you go to CVS, that's the better deal. And guys, a disclaimer, CVS systems is down, so you will not see a Sunday haul. You will see it on Monday or Tuesday when I can get back in and do one. Also, the Dove is buy one women's get a men's free. I might have a bonus for you at the end of the video, so watch until then. I'm gonna grab a Dove each one. Men's Dove right here. Okay, here's the orange owl, guys, and this, what is this, DTT Dove Men body wash. It was 19 cents. It's not here anymore. And then they got a TT Dove Men's Fresh Clean 22 cents. Look at that little hat. That's cute. I did come in here and grab a lot of stuff. So if you all got Maybelline coupons, these are like $1.99. You can practically get these for free if you have a coupon with you. So let's go to the toothpaste, because that's another deal that we're going to do. We're going to do both deals of the toothpaste. We're going to do 2 Colgate Optic Whites for $3.99. And I have a $3 off of 2 coupon on my app. All of these are digitals except this. This is the only thing that's not a digital. Now, everything is digital. Also, you'll get 4,000 points back, okay? Okay, we're also going to do Crest Pro Health. Now, I think it's the Crest with the vintage look on there. If so, you'll see me switch it out, but I have to go and check with the girl. I think it's this one. It looks like this. So, that's the one I believe it is. But you grab 3 of these, and you have a $5 off 3 Crest, and you get a $5 register reward. You also can use these guys. You can get 3 of the Oral-B, 3 of the Oral-B's, and get a $5 register reward also using that 5 off 3 coupon. Okay, now I have a $2 off 2 Scott coupon, and then I have the $1.25 off coupon for in the booklet. That's all digital, guys. So that make these $2.75, okay? Like these tissues, guys, see these are 2 for $1. I use this tissue, it was like cement. So watch it, it's very harsh tissue. Okay, the next deal I'm gonna do is the home bags. I'm gonna buy 3 freezer bags. As you notice, I'm getting freezer because I do pantry, and I am going to do my pantry video, guys, for the people that ask me to do it. I get 3 of these. It must say freezer bags, so I'm buy one, get 2 free, okay? Then we're going to go over everything that we have so that we'll make sure we have the correct things in our buggy, okay? Okay, now I want to do the Mentos, but it's the little ones like this, and she said they're up at the counter, so I'm going to grab 1 Mento. Now, if you guys only do the Mentos are 99 cents, get a 99 cent register reward. So if you grab the Mentos, then make sure you buy only 1 at a time, because if you buy two at the same transaction, it will not give you a 99 cent for both. It'll only give it to you for one, okay? Just one. So make sure you buy one at a time. Now, let's go over what we have before we go up here. Now, remember, I have a 5 off 20, two $4 ECBs, a $2 coupon for the Scott. They're $1 a piece. You got to buy two, you get $1 off each one. These are buy one at $2.79, get two free. So let's go and go over what we have. Let me put it on a shelf so you can see it, okay? Okay, as you can see, you see what I have? The two Scott, buy one, get one free freeze bags. You should have 3 of those. 2 Revlons, 2 Colgate, 3 Crest, and our bonus, buy one of these at $5.99, get one free. It has to be a women's and a men's, okay? We should make some nice registered rewards and points if it goes well, okay? Okay, so let's go over the coupons. This is the 5 off 20 that I have. The 3 off of 2 Colgate. The 5 off of 3 Crest. This is the one that it dinged also. Hopefully that'll be the one, but the other one should work also. Then I also got 500 bonus points for the nice disposable. That 2 off 5 Shea Moisture should work on these, making those like $1.29 a piece. So of course all of Walgreens toys are buy 2 get the 3rd free. But if you all made it to Dollar General, they are 75 cents off toys, including today. So don't forget, today is Sunday. Let's go and look at some of the Walgreens deals that we can look at. Here's some whiskey glasses. Oh, look at those. I like those. They $12.99. Hey, look at this, guys. This is $9.99. But it's also buy one, get one 50% off. This store is not marked, but I just so happened to be in another Walgreens today and saw that. So this is buy one, get one 50% off. Starbucks has a great deal also. And if you buy these Starbucks, which is $12.99, I believe, you'll get this with it. But you also can go and buy a Starbucks card at Starbucks for $10 and pay, I think, $6 for the card. So I will be grabbing some of those. And this is another great deal, $6.99 a bracelet set. But those also are buy one, get one 50% off. I know you don't see the signs, but trust me on that one, they are. These are $5.99, buy one, get one 50% off. The globes are buy one, $10.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. Here is the weighted comfort mask. My granddaughter actually needed one of these to sleep. These are fantastic, guys, and you can put them in the refrigerator and cool them. This is a little electronic bistro coffee machine grinder. It grinds up the coffee. You can make, oh, I love to make my own coffee now, guys, that I've discovered. And here's a Java press also. Buy one, get one 50% off. Don't forget. Okay, guys, you guys see these? These are 50% off, so they are $9. Ain't that gorgeous? I think I'm going to grab my grandson and my granddaughter one of these. They want newborn and one, so they would make great gifts for them to put on their beds. I also was looking for the sanitizer, which I do not see it. Okay, guys, so here is the Safe and Healthy sanitizer. You guys know I've been showing you all these all over right here. You also, they have a couple of more, but this Walgreens don't have it. These are $19. Buy one, get one 50% off. Okay, there you go. There's one of the tags. Like, only a couple of places is tagged, but the whole, all the gifts is buy one, get one 50% off. This is the one that you could go over your phones with, but I want the one with the phone set down in there. So the best price I saw was actually at Home Depot, so that's probably where I'll be getting mine from. It's supposed to be a better brand, so I'm gonna try it. But they also had the ones that wipe over the doors everywhere, so that would be, to me, a great investment. Okay, guys, let's go check out and let's see how we done. Okay, guys, I am back home, and yes, these are the crests that I went back. These are the ones that I told you was attaching to it. It's the old box of crest. They brought the box back, so maybe they be bringing that crest campaign back. But a $5 registered reward printed for that. This, see how tiny this is? It's like super tiny. This was 99 cents. I don't even really know if it's worth it or not. But a 99 cent registered reward printed off for it. Use points to pay all of this down with. This gave me 4,000 points. Both of these gave us 4,000 points together. That's what the money is. Walgreens money, that's the points. Okay, then I bought Revlon, buy one, get one 50% off. I did have a $2 off one lip Revlon. All of these was digital except one. All of these was digital. And I got a $3 register reward for that. Then, buy one, get two free at $2.79. $2 coupon for buying two. And then I used the $1.25 off in the booklet or the digital app. But I did an all digital deal. I wanted to make sure this was all digital, guys, okay? I also got one of these 5 off 20s. And this printed off of $4 off. And this right here printed off. If you spend $25 on any of these products, you get $8 register reward. Or points, that's fine, because I go grab my nieces some more of those Sally Hansen nail polishes or those lashes, okay? So altogether, this haul right here, not including the Dove, I know you see it there, came out after I used all of my coupons, my register rewards, and everything off it. I paid $5.76 out of pocket. I got back 5, 3, that's 8, 99 cents, $8.99. So, money maker right here, okay? Now, this, I'm going to tell you something. At your own risk, buy one of these Women Dove. We have a coupon that came out in the 514 inserts. This is how it looked. Buy one Dove, get this one for free. Use 2 of these. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Bye.